So these are my red potatoes. After you split them, guys, you have to cure it. Meaning, paanuhin mo muna yung sugat nila. Pagalingin kung sa baga. Ayan, ito po ay lahat ay nakasplit na. These are all been split. Now it needs curing. So I'm gonna show you the other one that I already split few weeks ago. So nag-cure na po lahat yung ilalim. Ito po ay regular potato. Ayan, gumaling na siya yung sugat. So these are the regular potatoes. Tapos ito is the red potatoes that has been split few weeks ago. So this is how you process procedure for your potato before planting in the ground. So I have this for a couple months now. Ganyan. Patuyuin mo muna yung sugat. Ayan. Meron akong dalawang variety na potatoes right now. These are regular russet potato, white potato, and then red potato. So those are ready na sila na itanim. Ayan, ang dami po. So marami po tayong pananim. Hinahanda ko. Another thing that I'm gonna show you guys before, gusto ko lang i-emphasize yung mga turmeric. If you want to grow your own turmerics from home, make sure you go to the market and get organic one. You know why? Because I'll tell you right now, if you buy not organic turmeric or ginger, the rhizome, like what I have here too is ginger, they spray it and it won't sprout. So make sure it is organic, no spray. Ayan, they're also sprouting, ready to be planted. And I'll show you, I also have ginger. It started to sprout. Ayan, nag-sprout na. Ito, nag-sprout na. Those are rhizome. So I'm gonna plant this also. That one with already been sprouting on the sides. So you just split them. And then you have ginger as well. Ayan po ang mga pananim, guys, na kaya ano mo, dapat organic. And look at this, even my onions. You can also plant this. If you have onions start to grow, don't waste it. Plant it in the ground. Even my garlic. These are local garlics. But what I have planted in my garden is Russian garlic. So I'm not gonna waste this either. I will plant this in the ground. So that's the tip for today. How you can grow your own potatoes. Sweet potatoes as well. I have one sweet potatoes that I want to show you. Sweet potatoes is not easy to plant here because you cannot find, it's already grow. So you can grow it also like this. Ayan. Marami din akong pinapaugat na sweet potatoes. Ayan. So, happy gardening! Thanks for watching.